If you're new, hit that subscribe button and like and share the video up. And if you guys don't know, we're almost at 200,000 subscribers. So hit that subscribe button because we want to reach there before the end of the year. And don't forget, watch the movie to the end.
Even daddy,
Feeling that.
how are you?
I'm good, man. I'm good.
Okay.
You know what I call it for? I don't really like how things are move up between me and you know, because, we're so close. And then all of a sudden, me hardly I see you. You hardly a call me. Sometimes I call you not even on the phone. And I know a woman stay, If we don't have no phone and it a ring, one call now miss, we not have to see it call. So what really happen? What's happening?
Daddy, the thing is that me not really want me don't know how to say this to you, but me just say it. Me not really want there around you because it type of person where you be. You know what I mean, right?
I don't know what you mean. You have to go down in a detail, man.
Daddy,
That not sound too.
yeah, do some illegal stuff, right? And if, like, for example, me the right here, so right now, and somebody I look for you, if you do you something, and also then gonna know say me and your daughter, they might want to me something also. Or if they go see me and your right here, so now, or anything for you happen, at the boat of it will happen to. So that's the reason I'm not really want there around you.
I don't want the reason that. That's all like a something your mother put in your skin,
No, daddy, listen. This I feel my own safety. You get what me say, right? So, you know, I feel blame everything for mom because I know mommy do all of this here. I feel my own safety. Me know what right for me. That's the reason why I rent a place with me and my friend. I'll go and keep back there. So,
But let me ask you something. How hard is it for you to call me? How hard is that?
daddy, it's not like me no want to call you. I want to call you, yes, but most of the time I caught up with work and whole heap of stuff. This minute me get up and say me I'll call you and the next minute me no know. It just
Mm.
erase out of
Yeah,
the mind. Me
man.
no remember.
You get too busy for your father, man. I big you get too big. Anyway, as me tell you, you might reach at the age you can go work, take care of yourself and do all the stuff there. But as me tell you, call me, come check me if you want nothing, you come link me, man. Me there. Me there, man. Me have to beg for me little daughter to come look for you and so forth. No, man, so bad. Call me. If you can't see me and you're afraid to come around me, call me, because you don't know me how
Daddy,
already and me how.
Daddy,
Just
I know,
call me,
look
man.
here. Daddy, I know some love everything already, right? You don't need to worry yourself
Just
already.
show it, man. Even call me, man.
Me go work on that.
Work, man. See?
Okay. Yes.
All right.
Alright. So,
Give me a smile and me say, no, man. Sure. Eh? John, let me say a little smile, man. You see, hold your hand fling up now there. I should just let you go. A joke.
me
You're
say
good,
last
man.
time you hear one
As-
story like that.
Alright, know yourself, man. I got more, man. Just keep the link, man. Sprago,
Yes, bossy.
where you going with? How things?
So far, so good enough.
Boy, I'm telling you, I'm sitting more dealing with this thing,
Eh?
I deal that thing to me. Yo, Sprago, come here.
Yeah, bossy.
Feel this, sir. Yeah, man. 100%. You know when that peep in there? Yeah, man. Come here. Go wash that for me, man. You see me?
Big boss.
No, long as I best place to wash them money, bossy.
You come like I eat that. You hear me say, man?
No, bossy. Think about it.
Listen
There's
to
a
me now,
place
man.
where all of the people pass through.
It's a reason why I give you, because they trust you. You understand what I mean?
Oh.
And you know the worst thing? I know every dollar in that still, so you know, so you can't mess with it still.
No, man, when you say trust me, so you know something
All
like
right.
with it.
But
You know what I mean?
yeah, yeah. You just have to go to deal with that for me, you see me? But you hear me say?
All right. Tell me something, bossy. One thing I want to ask you. What the return they look for?
But the returns,
Yeah, because you know, so me have to get my foot out of it. I see him amount, you know,
you all button.
how that me talk
Let's
about.
not bring the money thing, man. You know, say you see it, man. How long you there around and know, say, me and your juggler, the virgin.
All right.
Call the secret, the array where you know, say you're good. Me know what in there. Just go watch the thing, man. You don't know the thing set, all right?
All right, bossy. So, maybe keep me posted, you know, and things, so you know, so everything's secure. All right, bossy.
As usual.
Big boss.
Yeah, man.
We shall get it. Thank you for trust me, you know. Yes, sir.
Sprago, just
All right.
remain Sprague while you're good. Later.
Yeah, man.
Say, girl. So, internet me a scroll on girl and me a say, look on the carnival video, yeah. Me say, this sound like a whole heap of fun. Girl, and look how the girl then look good. Look on the outfit now. Brittany, it look fun, yes, and to be honest, carnival fun, but you have to have money to do that, you know. Let me look up how much for one why so? Costume right now. There, them they sitting there expensive, girl. See there? $700 for one costume. That's our cheapest costume. So the cheapest? It dearest. Me I tell you something you ask me. Girl, our cheapest costume that plus we're gonna want place to stay. We're gonna want food to eat. How we're gonna manage? No girl, nothing about it about that right now. You can't make the one go with me. So you can't let your banana belly. So me must dead for young girl go carnival go and me feel. Me? With that girl I have we gonna have fun. When we have fun, we not think about belly, we not think about food. You say something wrong with you? Look here. How does mix some drinks put now on? Wait, are you gonna buy me and you costume or something? No, you buy it for me buy mine. What time you gonna me propose carnival to you? Listen, me not got no carnival. I me not even know me day. If me forget one little money, I see if me get the money, me can tell us it. What? Just look on this out. Look on this. Look at the costume. Go here. This fella just all over so. Girl, that would have look good power, you know? Alright. Here what? Make a work for me. If you come through, then we can go. Fine. So me not make a promise going, no, but if you come through, we can go. I'm not gonna tell you lies still, you know. I'm not really have no money for myself. So, we think work out for you, can even give me half of mine. Yeah, feel me, yeah. Listen, all I do just take carnival thing off your mind. You know, I'm gonna say, no, look here. Me go try find a way to try get some money so we can go because we have to go. We have to go this year in August, so remember me tell you that.
Sis, you busy?
What happened?
You can come and contact you?
Yeah, man, you can come now.
Alright, boss me.
Alright, it's open. No. Come over here, son.
Sis, you like no box.
Turn on. Right. Listen now.
Sis, you're right, me know say you don't really deal with certain things, but you have to trust me as a brother. You understand what I say? Me have one proposition to ask you. When I ask you, but I know you will like it afterwards because you go think about it. Your business, you must you tell me saying I really have gone with nothing, that much. You can pump certain things, advertisement, marketing, and them something to get it to where it's supposed to be, right? That's some money. I'm gonna invest in you. What do you think?
Like how much money, so?
$10 million.
Where?
$10 million
$10 million
cash.
cash. You, my brother, have that when me know us poor, so. Lucifer, where you get so much money from?
Make you have to
Tell
start
me the
there.
truth.
Why out of all the name them where you can use for make me feel insecure and all them something there and shame? Lucifer?
Lucifer
Eh?
was one of God's best disciples and in turned devil.
No,
And you look like I devil, although
No.
you're my brother. Let me
No.
tell you something. Me know you, you know. Me know your style, you know. Me know you don't like work. You don't like work. Where you get so much money from?
Listen, man,
No,
relax.
no, talk to me now.
Relax, no, me I tell you everything, you know. Yeah, make it sound like some now. Me come in every talk to you. Me couldn't call up on your phone, you
I
know.
am doing my business.
Exactly, me come
And
in.
you come to tell me, say you want to do whatever in my business. Me have to find out where you get so much money from. Because me no want get in no problem.
There's no problem to it. Only thing me I do for you is big up your team. Right now, you know, I don't sign for your business. That's the first thing. You don't sign out there. So nobody don't know what over yourself. So if the people who know you personally never know you have a business yourself,
This sign no concern you. Me advertise me thing everybody know about
alright,
it. Where you come about, talk about it.
alright. $10 million yourself. The writers right now, only thing you gotta do is invest it in your business. You can either create one other upcoming loan business where can give people loan and you create a way how for, you know what I mean? Just make it better for you. Only thing me I'll get as it is a little bit of percentage after the capital. After what we make. Because this is the capital. You understand me I say?
Me
So
not
we
trust
go,
you.
sis, for all these years, you ever see me come in and so long and talk to you, sir?
Me say me don't trust
You
you.
ever see me come in and contact you, sir? And I have a straight
That's why
face.
me not trust you. Cause you no work. Remember, you don't like work. You're not
Yes, we
honest.
passed through that stage already. Listen, me I say, no, man.
All your life and me and ask the money. Now you come with how much $1 million. If you come in my business, you put me in a problem, look more police. Look here.
No police now come check you. You me trust in such a way to make this work for both of us. Someone say, me here.
I mean your trust.
Yeah, you me
I
trust.
will never trust you.
Yeah, you never trust me, but me trust you. No worries about that, because you try to hurt my feelings. And you try to piss me off,
So,
but me never take it piss off
anyway,
still.
cut long story short, what you say now? What happened?
Listen, me I say, me think this is a bad idea for really come down and come think say me could trust you. But everything good. I'm going.
Oi. Sit down, sit down. Just sit down, I want to talk to you. Give me a few more minutes. Let me see my bag. Let me see my bag.
Can't leave say to speak to you. As far as I can see, money.
Jesus Christ. My brother, I true you did that, man.
So you think me I take a joke? You ever see me coming so serious? Me is a jovial person, and me come in and me I talk to you straight out. You ever hear me crack a joke? I try to give you a smile. You have to understand, say when a time for business, a business time. So you hear me I say, me there at the wrong place, or me if you take this to somewhere else.
No, but I leave. You look like me rich now.
And no matter I look like,
Anyway,
listen.
me nobody want hear where you get it from. Everything alright. Me will do what you say.
Cause, what going?
Hey, welcome along, Brittany.
Me say, cause, you know, say, as some I want go do, I want money to borrow for you.
Money to borrow. How much money say you want to borrow?
100K.
I did. Me not depend on the type of money in a Brittany. The last piece of money me dey have, me take your license and insure my car. And I over 200,000 for license and for insure separate, say. So right now, I know nothing normal. So wish me could have lend you still cause you're my best cousin and thing. And I know say once me lend you, you don't give me it back. But right now, me not in a position. So I was so important to the one money for borrow for you.
As some I want go, man. I'm the want it 100K to deal with something. Set speed.
Alright, yo.
That's why I did ask you.
If it's something with that important
You really
and you
important.
really want the money, hear me and suggest. You want a new loan company out the road with just something.
Yeah.
Yeah, where they might lend money and the interest rate not so high and then reasonable. You see me? Me know somebody who borrow money from them. Me never borrow yet still, but me know somebody who borrow it. So me would suggest, if it's that important, me would suggest go link them and see if you can get a loan because I know nothing hard to get. You see me?
Alright, let me get where you so which one I say located out the road.
Go to the road, man. If you ask anybody, they will tell you.
Alright
Alright?
then.
Yeah, man.
Alright, thanks.
Alright, so later, yeah, man.
You go and pick up yourself.
Yeah, man, later.
Alright. Oi. Oi, come on, man. So you come comfort him important. I'm not here when you come in. You come in comfort him so. Girl, we not chat about that. Listen. Me I say is the carnival something we did talk about. I was so want we go enjoy ourselves. Girl,
You come back with this carnival business again.
just this one me I say now.
Me I hear you talk.
Alright. Well, me hear so on loan place
Mhm.
out a road.
Mm.
And like they lend a loan like come fi say now, fi go a party.
So if I loan
If
for
you have
must lend you loan.
just this one me I say now. Like if a party I go then we lend a loan fi go a party. If school business, church,
Nah, cut you.
anything.
So you really gonna take loan figure a carnival? And that you have to come to me with now?
So wrong with that. Nothing no wrong, girl. Want go get enjoy with say walk up our hair lash and them stuff. We are
Why
talk
you
about.
go to enjoy this? Me nah no money to pay back loan, you know.
Look here. Remember say me
Let me tell you something.
I am working.
Me and your friend, but me not think this is a good idea for you go take no loan for go no party. Or you go pay back.
Girl, we young, we need to enjoy life. What you talk about?
I taking loan for go party.
Of course. Them won't give
If
you
them say I take loan for do something sensible, go party.
and I like how we borrow the loan to tell them I want it back tomorrow. Them won't give you XYZ time when to pay it back.
So how you go pay back, Brittany?
Girl, I am working. So when me get paid, me use half my money and save and pay them back little. What you, girl, look here, you need to wise up. Come out and look how shell we are living now. You need to explore, you need to go all about. You can't live like this in a house, cock up, queer, sweep, because you a sweep out room.
But girl, you left me one in there. I am my roommate tonight. You left me one in there from morning. And the place want clean up and sit. You know what's expect me to sweep out the place.
Carnival right around the corner.
You left me here this morning, go look loan figure a carnival. You don't expect them to stay and clean up the place.
We want to go out, so I can't stay in the house and if some money I just come to us. So, girl, we have to go out here, go try and get it.
Brittany, me tell you this. Not because me young, that means that me young, dumb, and foolish. I mean, I try to say you're young, dumb, or foolish. Me not call you foolish, and me not call you dumb. But when me have said to you is that me not going to take any loan at all to go on a carnival with you.
Look here, are your business that? Me I go and me I gonna need you to follow me. So it's either you go come or not. You go forward.
Which part you go?
Don't get one place, dog.
You seriously you gonna do this?
So me, look here, as long as we put me into something I go do it. Let me tell you this now. If you know I come at the carnival, when me go there, me go put my eyelash and my boom flick and my back flick and all of them something, then me take picture and send it on
you know, so when time me I do loan and them thing there, if you have somebody as reference and them thing there, make sure you don't put my name on the paper, you know.
So if your name go for me.
Make sure you don't put my name and my number on the paper over there.
When
I'm don't know you.
Look here, when I'm signing that
When
paper,
you want go.
and I like you go in the paper and see. As me I said before, when me got the something and come back, me tell you how it go.
When you want go.
When me want go. Why one place?
Yeah.
All if I today. Me a go down. Girl, me a go right now to come me can't wait. You must feel like someone they not whole money where they have down there. Me not get none. You're crazy. Take yourself and come on.
Me I finish 3 party.
Wait, let me put on one something the blouse. So for cover
You
me.
can go see him way.
So, do you have all your requirements?
Yes, ma'am. I have my ID, my TRN, bank statement, and proof of address.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
And so, what's the amount of money do you need, really?
All right, 300,000.
Based on the information that you provide here,
Yes.
you can get the service.
Okay, so.
Okay, so how long do you think you can
Take to pay the loan?
Yes, pay back the loan. Listen, let me tell you first. We have 6 months, a year, and 2 years.
Before you go, may I ask, is it weekly, fortnight, or monthly?
Based upon the amount that you want, you're
Yes.
gonna have to pay $4,000 a week plus interest. I have your information,
Yes.
so as soon as the loan process, I will give you a call.
Chip.
Morning, boss.
What is morning, Brittany?
Morning, boss.
What am to you?
You know, come let me I come down with the flu though when I really feel.
No, Brittany. Step.
You know the type of business we're running, man. You can't do that. Step over there, someone. Step over there, son of Brittany, man.
But boss, you know, some I really love my job, boss. So that's
no,
the
but
reason I come here. I take it very serious.
what you say? You don't feel too well?
Oh, boss.
No, man. I think you need to take a couple days. Just take you what? Take a couple days. Take a couple days, Brittany.
Much days.
Take about 3 days. And if you don't feel better in the 3 days, do the week. Take the week. As a matter of fact, take the week.
So, boss, still I get paid?
Yes, Brittany. I will still pay you. But just go take care of your health, man. Go on, Brittany, man. Yeah, man. Take it easy. Get well soon, alright?
Yeah.
Get whole heap of rest. Take a whole heap of rest, alright?
Alright, boss.
Yeah, man.
Girl, you should have come at the concert. Make you know, man. Away there. Away video gone. Concert did bad. Watch me for Chuck, my girl. Oh, I be a celebrity today, you know. Mr. Rebel TC, pretty. One of them, they did a Swiss Lee. Girl, I'm mad thing. See, true, more one if you see me up on the truck, me reach, girl. It's happy once. Me a spin like a gay girl. Cool, you know? Watch nice.
Me a see it, man.
Just watch nice now. Cool, you know, man? Cool, you know, man? Cause zoom in on it.
The way, how much you pay for? You got so much money you pay for that they sitting there now.
Don't worry yourself about that. Don't worry yourself.
I'm glad you enjoy yourself still. I'm glad you go and you enjoy yourself and everything. But let me tell you something before you go no further. Make sure say you can pay back your people them loan.
Girl, that's how the least baby thing that.
Eh?
I just can't see.
Baby Wara?
Baby thing that.
So see how much money you take from them now. Just make sure you can pay back. And also $50 coming out, hobby.
There's something to ask $50 can have it. Look here. Me and your friend. If me a go down hill, if go down hill with me.
Who are you? Eh? Before so me pack up milk young them and come out here. Listen to me. Hello, listen to me. Just don't need conversation. So I'm glad you enjoy yourself and make sure you can pay back your people in loan. That's all me have to say to you.
Whatever. Good morning, boss.
Oh, wait, Brittany. You look good, man. You look like you're fully recovered.
Say, boss. Exact 1 week it takes me to recover because, you know, them look how old time remedy there, some bush and them something there. I drink it up and I feel a lot better.
I can see, so you look bouncing and healthy, man.
Yes.
What? so what you do ya?
You mean what me I do? You no work? Me come and work, boss?
Oh, Brittany, you don't work here anymore.
But boss, you tell me something to take you week.
I did tell you to take the week, Brittany.
Yeah,
But then I told you to take the week to stay home and get some rest. Lo and behold, did you know that I am a carnival fan? So it was unfortunate that right when time I was getting ready to go, you took sick. So I had was to cancel all of my plans. Then I said, well, all right then. I can't get for go. I go and watch it on YouTube. While I was there sitting down and taking in the carnival, being so disappointed in the fact that I never get for go. Could you believe who was on the TV gyrating and going in bad?
I'll go on TV.
Yourself? Yes, I saw you. Don't bother to pretend. I saw you on the TV, you're the on the neck. When they say grab something and run with it, me see somebody and run with it through the crowd. Me say, Brittany, I never know so you could have gone.
Boss, you're getting it all wrong. That wasn't me.
So I did who me see?
Boss.
Please do tell me who me did see.
Boss,
because that tattoo they can't hide.
Boss, I mean, but
I mean, but what?
give me a chance, please.
Give you a chance to do what?
Boss, please, me I beg you, please.
Brittany, you make me lose 1 week. What am I enjoyment?
Alright,
and then me I'll pay you for the week. And that was what you was out there doing?
Boss, you can boss. Alright, me can't make up back for all like time then. When time you give me day off, me now go take it. Me just work.
No, Brittany.
Boss, please.
I cannot rely on you. Because you told such a blatant lie. How me forgot trust you now?
But boss, me dey sick picture, me dey recover, and then me just go.
That no in question. I don't sure if you was really sick. Because based on that gyrating, why you could have never get better so quick. If you don't understand what I am saying anymore, Brittany don't work here anymore. Unless you plan to come and buy something at the establishment, then you're free to come.
Boss, please.
Go and go jump up back on the Exodus bus. Yes, bright. Tech man for idiot. Have a great man, make you care about my money.
What go on, sis?
Come now, let me in a cup, you know.
I don't see it. You good?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that door hot like a fire, like a AC. Good.
What happened?
So the business?
It not go and good, you know.
What you mean not going?
Everything kind of slow. You know, say 2 girls come here and come borrow loan. And the girl them a go on like they don't want to pay back the loan money.
Hold on. So you mean to know want pay back your loan money?
You don't understand.
So
When you borrow money and don't want to give back, that mean them a go on like they don't want to pay back.
So did you take like information?
Then if you have one loan place and somebody come borrow money, you have to take their info.
So you go check her not
Me not go now, we go check them. Me have them name and everything they we're about.
So
But me not see them from when.
Alright, apart from that, the business are going.
Me not going too good, you know. Me not telling lies. It a go on, yes, but not like how that definitely want to see it a go on.
Sometimes you have to give that a little time, you know. But you have, you have your mind.
You talk about give time. You talk about the 2 girls that come borrow money. I'm not sure if me I get it back.
Don't worry about that, man. Just give me information. That's why I ask about information. Give me information where them live and all these things. And we take care of the rest.
Me know why you getting no problem.
Sis, come on. Not like that, man. You know me already. Me's a man of the streets and I live on the streets and a lot of things go down, but you know, I know how to secure myself. So give me information now. Yeah, waste time right now. Because even today.
Me no really want to give you the information in public, so me talk to you after here.
Sis, we are talking about me alone there.
People can know them and hear. And them make up if you can't do it. And then go tell them so they run a gun and you know see them. So me we tell you after ear. You don't understand that?
Sis, I'm me alone in that place. And we are talking about after ear. Which ear? A fly?
Wall of ears, bush of ears. Me we tell you after ear. Me no want to tell you right now.
Sis, here. Me know the game we are playing right now. Because remember, say me and grow up together. See? Nobody stick out that way. I get myself in trouble, man.
No game thing. Me serious. No. But me no want you get in no problem.
No.
Alright? Fine. I am going to give you the information, but please me I beg you, don't put yourself in no problem. Me I go send it straight to your phone. Right? You promise?
Promise.
Because me no want you put me in no problem either.
Man. Sis, see that. Don't leave your brother hanging.
Me not believe in that.
Don't leave your brother hanging.
No man, me not believe in that. Me can't join that. Cause
Sis,
no. Don't put me in no trouble and don't put yourself in no.
Not like that, man. Everything good.
So I'm big man. There man, just you know usual.
Cool, man. All is well. Don't say a word. Thank you.
Yo, what are these man?
I'm on Baba.
Bless up the kid.
Manners. Boss, more reason with you now.
Yeah man, you can talk man, what go on?
See if you talk with him.
Oh, Jimmy, Jimmy actually for 30 a year man. You're a good man. Until we have to you can say it in front of Jimmy, you know.
Alright.
Hold on. Just give me a minute there. Where at now? How things?
You want to know, say, I look a problem with the, with the transaction of one that business.
What kind of problem now?
I remember say, no, I done invest some money in my sister business. And then somebody, 2 person, what am I do is 2 girls come on the place, come get one loan. And when them get the loan, then basically no want pay back.
No want pay back loan?
Yeah.
But you don't know what to do already, man. We have delinquent people that deal with all everything you don't know what to do, man.
Some for them. Cause you're a card, you know.
I mean, Mike, Virgin, you know what to do, man. Anybody out here know what to do, man. Ask me, you mash up. How do you, man? You know, you do what you have to do, man. The business have to go on, you know, man.
Exactly. That's what I say. Remember, say the money still out there. So I mash them up. Me not get back the money. That me I talk about.
You look like I get the money, boss.
Alright. Me feel say the best thing for do is to patient. What you say? First.
Patient, no, I'm not patient in this business, you know. I have to set example in a youth. Oh, man. You know what you do? Mash them up. You have to set an example, you know.
Alright, boss.
You have to set an example, man.
But the thing is, it's because my sister business still.
Hmm.
I mean, really want, you know, like everything fall upon shit. Now check first, do some investigation and so on, go on first, and then as you said, mash them up.
What do you mean, man?
Your car, your word.
Oh, dear, man. Where's the Jimmy?
Definitely.
Oh,
So me see.
alright.
Because you're right, business are going good and just them little two little hold back. Because you don't know some, you know, I don't want you feel like your thing now fall back and, you know, clean up certain way. Alright?
Yeah, man.
So, your word is your band. Live right this song.
Strictly mash up.
Alright, boss.
Deal with the case.
Yeah,
And
man.
you
Check
know
it.
what to do already.
Yeah, man.
Don't say a word.
Best what's in the world. See?
Lion.
Alright, cool, cool.
Can't bother with Britney, no man. Me can't bother with Britney, no. Every day I see him thing, I mean, I call little girl phone and me nah get him. See there? Me nah get him. Me can't bother, no man. Me just can't. No, we Pitney can't put my life in a danger over people borrow money.
Pink tights. Just 1 minute. 1 minute, please.
Look here, I am busy.
Just 1 minute,
So
may
you
I
gotta
talk to you?
talk fast.
Alright, are you with this?
I mean, that's how you get a picture with me in a your phone.
Toning a voice.
Why me can't talk loud in my mouth?
Toning a voice, yeah? Listen,
Sir, you need to explain to me what you do with a picture of me in a your phone.
Alright, you are going now. See? I am basically I want to pass on a message to you. And the message I want to pass on is very serious. And you need to calm down and receive it with, you know what I mean, a better spirit. Because you know want me to change my vibe. You understand me I say? You know want me to change my vibes. So just know that. Alright? My sister start a business. And the business what you start is based on giving loans and all these things. So me start for your business and call me the loan shark if you want to call me. You don't want to pay back the money. Why don't want to pay back the money? Why you don't want to pay back the money?
You never say me not pay back money, but me just not getting money as yet.
When you get the money, so what was the arrangement? What was the arrangement?
I make you get the money
When should I get the money?
as soon as me get
I
it.
mean, as soon as I get it, me I give you 20, matter of fact, 48 hours. Me I give you 1 extra day. You understand me I say? And if me ever get one feeling to say you're gonna police, you understand me I say? No call no police, no call no law in this here. Because you know put it on your side. You understand me I say? Enjoy the day. Have a good day. Yeah? 48 hours.
Yeah.
Look here, you think your life in a danger? Eh? I feel me life in a danger. I feel me life you put in a danger. Where you come from? Yo, you make man come here. Hey, girl, you make man come at me yard.
I beg you, please.
Me
Me and friend you come from
money. Where we get money from? And me you went take loan? Yes, so that me say. And if somebody will come to you, I said somebody will come to me. And they say, listen good enough, me I deliver a message. They say, anyhow, you know make them get back their money, them are gonna kill me and them are gonna kill you. So you must know.
I beg you, please. I don't understand. My friend, I make
Yo,
you
lift
get
up from
money. I
here,
beg
so.
you, please.
And me and you went take loan.
But me and your friend you come from far.
Friend, Friend, and you put my life in a danger. Yo, lift up from your
No,
phone.
beg you, please.
Yo, no ball to me, no. Ball to
nothing
God.
but I want to know.
I'm alone, can't help you, no ball to me. Ball to Jesus. Move from in front of me.
Me already break me
Where you
heart.
find back people them money to give them and move from your son?
I
Are you
already
pray
pray
to
to
God,
God
nobody do me nothing? You not like him, man.
Me
Lift
pray
up
to
from
God
your
already. Just let me talk to
Lift
you,
up friend.
please. No,
Yo, lift up friend in
please.
front of me.
Please. Me and your friend will come from farm and beg you, please. Just find a way we can get some money, please.
Yo,
Me do
if
anything.
God, so me love you, no, man. As a matter of fact, balling not gonna help the situation. Sit down and stuff. Balling not gonna help the situation. What you plan for the body people them money? Cause they after you and they after me. And if you them are people are bad people, and if you not pay them back, them we have to go run away.
You don't know nobody I can borrow money from.
Forget it from Brittany.
Please.
So Brittany, after you're done borrow people money and put for me and your life in a danger. You really have a heart. If you come to me, come ask me, say, me nah nobody can borrow money from. Won't forget it from. Yo,
this
you
time
better
you go
you not have
borrow
work.
me.
You not have job. You better make sure you
Members,
pay
let me
back
tell you, members, let me tell you, say me lose the job.
Brittany, why first me I know this?
I never remember if tell you. Man, something
I bet you still never go back our next carnival in your life. Eh?
I'm in a serious situation and you laugh.
Everybody tell me say, everybody cuss me and tell me say, oh, me boring and me not go nowhere and me this and me that. You remember?
But the carnival
Anyways,
then.
calm down. We have to go find a way to figure deal with the situation. So get up, come.
What we do?
You know if you do get up and come, we have to find a way to pay back the people if they money.
But suppose the man understand a little bit what we are gonna do. You go on.
You're lucky.
Sprago! Sprago!
How are you going?
Want to talk to you. Just come in and give me a few minutes now.
Sister, I'm busy, you know, sister.
He not go kill you. Come in me talk to you, please.
Yes. All right. Go on, go on, may I come? What's up, may I come? What is this?
You find the girl them?
Where can I find a girl then?
So where them there? What happened to them?
I do what I'm supposed to do.
What you mean you... Jesus God, see same thing why me have to come around here. What you mean you do what you have to do? I hope you not put yourself in a no problem, you know, bro.
Sis, you just need to calm down and relax, man. It's easy, no,
I
man.
don't want you get yourself in a no trouble.
Like, listen, I get myself in trouble. I find her, man. And I organize, talk to her and make sure you know, say, she have to come forward with the money and come here. So, you know, I give her basically 24 hours. You understand? So, she come link you, man. So, know yourself. And as a matter of fact, me come link you on that day because that day she go forward in. So, me come make sure everything runs smooth.
Next question. Where did you get so much money from? Well, at 10 million.
So, make you ask me now, what's part of the
Why?
curiosity?
Whole heap of things. Whole heap of things in my head. Me just wonder where you get so much money from.
Alright, sis, you know some of the hide things from you because you know my style already. My boss, when trust me with some money, I say, boy, you know me can flip it in such a way to make some business. So, right there and then, my mind said to myself, so, come link you to invest it and make it work. So, I don't know. 'Cause you always think the worst, so I don't know why. So, I don't know nothing like that, man.
Why? That the amount of money the way your boss give you for invest in, you know. You need to get it back. Because the amount of money where the girl borrow, you already know. At 300,000, you know, you forgot? So we need to get it back to put back the money.
Sis, apart from she, business are going good, right?
You don't understand.
May I ask you a question?
Ye- Kinda. Some of the people them we borrow money are bringing back some money, but it's still not half reach or if you reach it.
So business go man.
So for your boss, if me no wouldn't want to find out for you getting a no problem. We need to get back in money. Me and go hope the girl carrying back in money. So we can put it back. For you get to give back your boss it.
What my name?
Sprague your name, what?
Yo, I'm tell you this. Me don't talk to my boss already, you know. See? I'm explaining to him about the fact say one girl, you know, borrow a loan, 300,000 and rate it, and him don't tell me what to do already. If me have to go to the extreme for wipe her out. So don't worry about that part there. That part there well secure. You understand me I say? So I just understand say me have everything under control. She have to forward, if she not forward, me know what to do. You understand me I say?
Me no in that one day. Wipe her out. Me no want you getting in no trouble.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
What is it? Is something you want to purchase?
No, boss. I come to beg back to work. Me and beg you, please. I'm gonna be honest with you. Me didn't really want to go to the concert, and I go down a one loan place to take out one loan. And feel like if I would come back here for work and everything, I could have get to pay them back, but I end up and lose the job. And now I don't know how to pay them back, and the people able to see me and threaten me, never know. Say, the woman when I borrow the loan from me have a brother who purchasing a business. And the man stick me up with gun and tell me, say, if me not make them get their money in a such and such, you know, problem and them won't kill me.
Wait, but this is very serious. You went to the police with this?
No, they said me might involve no police and then me did. Just when me bring my friends if I could make she work and make me work, could I get to pay back and would I even work. No, be say. Say to God. Pass just please.
Sir, me I beg you do. Just help her out, cause boy, you rough.
I don't want sticky
All the man a
situation.
threaten me no know nothing about this. So me I beg you do. Just help her out, please. Just hear back. Just help her out.
And she even willing to mop the floor on this, like go down with cloth and mop the ground. Scrag and wipe the ground.
Brittany, to be honest, what you did is very, 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 very rude and disrespectful, you know.
Sorry.
And under no circumstances I like to employ people that is dishonest in my organization, you know, because that goes against what I stand for.
I'm not gonna do it again, I swear. I promise me not gonna do it. Me do anything to make up back for all like for everything when me do.
And I really would not want to know, say, you come to me and then something go happen to you, then your blood would be on my shoulders. No, sir. I wouldn't feel good about that. But it's just rough to think.
Boss, please. I beg you,
Brittany?
please.
I'm going to give you one last chance.
Oh, God.
This goes against all the morals that I have.
So she can get a work too? How much help me pay you?
Well,
What?
I'm going to work it out that I employ both of you guys. And look here, Brittany, you're walking on thin ice. So the very next time you decide or think about doing something like this,
She not gonna do it again, sir. I promise. She not gonna do it again. Right?
Promise.
She not gonna do it again.
I hate that. All right? So it is now 6:30. We can report for work at 7:30 tomorrow morning.
Alright, thanks, here.
All right.
So thanks.
Yeah, man.
Here.
Thank you. It is not correct.
Miss.
I'm sure that you were fully told that the money should be here on time and the exactly amount of money that you should have bring in.
Miss, just give me a little more time, please. We're really sorry for bringing in this amount of money. I did lose my job other day and me get it back just a while ago. And at that the money they allow me half for me. So me just bring what me have until me get the rest, me bring it go and give you.
Miss, this is a serious business. It's not a joke thing. You have to give.
Sister, what going on, sir? Because I don't understand how it sound like you say something to her like say she not bringing all of the money. Hmm?
The exactly amount of money that you're supposed to get, me not get it back.
You don't get the exact money?
No.
Alright. I'm gonna share what going on now. You have gotten enough time to sort out this your money. You understand me I say? And me not understand why you have breached this thing right now. I talk to you already. So I breach your contract.
No, sir. Me just get back my job and this is all the money me have in my name.
All
That
right.
it me bring home.
Alright. I don't want to hear nothing more about only money you have in your name. You done when agree. Remember, I know where you live now. And if I say you want to take you, I'm going to take it this way because my sister, I love my sister, you know.
Just give me a little more time, please.
Little more time.
That's
The
all.
only time you get is 24 more hours. And you have to find it because this is a business, for my sister business.
But me not play with our business. Me promise me gonna bring the money come.
What do you mean I play the business? In the first place, I have to find you if you come back yourself.
But me did come back.
You did come back when? At your own disposal? That no and some business work. You understand me I say? So me I give you 24 more hours. Anyhow you have to go find you, call your mama, your papa, your cousin, your auntie, your granny, anybody who you have to call, you have to go call and get it done. You understand me I say? Because my sister business is very precious to me. You understand me I say? Very important to me. I told me not deal with women a certain way because they love me for my sister, you know. Because me I tell them I not deal something wicked right now because you take people for idiot.
Me not take on for idiot.
So what you call it then? Business?
Business.
A business you call it?
The slow business. That's
Slow business, just do what you have to do because me is a man of the streets and you know the streets go already. So if you know the code of the street, understand what's next. 24 more hours, simple as that. Sis, me I cut out, you know, so sister have some stuff for mash on the road here. So I touch the street.
no fast.
God, what my daughter?
Here. How are you?
Yeah, man, sit down, man. How far you walk?
Far. Daddy, the reason why I come to you now is because I'm in a really sticky situation.
Mm.
Basically, I did borrow a loan from a company and me never dare really take it that serious. Like, if I say no, they take a portion of time to pay them and a man threaten me, which is a sister company. And me go to them and me give them XYZ money, but they say the money not as much, and then they might give me 24 more hours for
For do
bring
what?
in
For
the
pay
rest
back?
of money. Yes.
What?
I mean, I know what to do. Me never did want to come to you because such and such.
Such and such what?
That you know the reason I'm not really come around here already.
Listen to me, man. How you find yourself in this predicament? For a long time, I tell you now. If you want something, you can link me. But because of pride, I am your mother. You see, you still end up.
Me
Huh?
didn't want to come to you. That's the reason I didn't come to you in the first place.
I'm your father, I'm your daddy.
Me know that, yes, but never mind.
So how you money part go now? You say 24 hours for pay
If you pay them back or else,
or
that's
else what?
me not know things can get really messy.
Oh, man, that boy don't know say enough to play with my daughter, man. How are you, man?
Daddy, me really don't want you put yourself in no problem.
Me, put myself in a problem.
Yes,
You don't know and don't know what it is. No, so, no problem carrying this. Blood thicker than water. So you want to tell me who are threatening? I want to know who is them people here? What? Where they come from? What?
I want Rasta youth and I want sister them so one alone place.
So hold on. So how much money, sir?
Me have my balance 250,000.
250.
Yes.
Boy, I'm gonna tell you, no, man. This is you see what? Certain things easy if you avoid. Just come check me, no, man. Just come check me. You would not put yourself in them problem there. Me I expect you to go different from how me stay. Me not expect you to follow the trait of the way me I do.
Me
That not
not,
sound like
me
a
not do what you do that you do worse than what me do just borrow alone.
yeah, but at the end of the year, you not a problem. So, by the way, what you using money though?
Well, the carnival we gone other day, me did
You what?
Daddy, you know, from my summer, I always like them look something, carnival stuff. And me dey say, me never want this year miss and me no go. So that's the reason I born
You
the
borrow money for go. Your mother where you get that from? Listen to me, man. You take money and you money and invest money. You can't take your money and do that. See that the carnival gone, the clothes can't wear again and so forth. You go put yourself in this problem.
Oh, me dey just want experience. Me dey want go there and
No
know how
man, no man, I am not gonna use a brain man. You use a brain man, you know, use a brain man. You know, use a brain man. Them thing come and gone, man. Vanity. You take them the money and invest and roll it over, man. You can't take them. Carnival.
Alright, Daddy. Me know say me mess up on all of them stuff there, but right now me need your help. You gonna help me or not, please?
Me go help you, know, but based on what you tell me, you know, you kind of have an idea of what happen and who me I deal with there, so. You understand what I mean? But in the future, come to me, man. Come to me. What with them little foolishness? Me there to help you. Me and your father, as me say. Just come to me.
Alright, Daddy. Thank you very much for helping me because I wanna do this without you.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Right, no, for when you don't give me a little hug. Eh? Anyway,
So, Mr.
as me
Boy.
say, listen to me.
Mm-hmm.
In the future, anything can link me first before you make them move there. You hear
Alright,
me say?
Daddy.
Alright?
Alright. So, what must do? You give me?
But deal with it, man. Don't worry yourself. You're good.
Alright, then.
Just go home, take a shower, and just relax yourself. Maybe deal with it. Alright?
Alright, Daddy.
Yeah. So, me see you.
Alright.
And call me more often, man.
Alright, have a nice day.
Yeah.
Alright.
Why, small world? Sprago. Yeah, man. Yeah. Call link me right now, my youth. Link me right now.
What I say? But
Sit down, man. Sprago. You remember you call link me and tell me, say, boy, you have two delinquent, whatever, deal with the money harsh and I want pay back.
but yo, here I go on. Make it back to my money, you know.
You get back
Make
some?
it back to my money and guess I know what the person still act like them want, you know, slow up the thing. So right now me I think we'll mash up the person right now. You answer me answer because at the end of the day, business is business.
You know what me call it for your brethren?
No, tell me now.
I call that quits, you know.
What you mean? Forget about the money?
You know me stay already, so you know, say, me say mash a boy, me mash a boy, but guess what happened? A two girl, but guess what? Now I give you a scenario. That small world.
What mean that's small? What you talking about? Confused.
Now my daughter owe you money. And I joke to you.
Boss, you have that? Boss, you have data? Eh?
If me have daughter, look what nearly happen. I'm my daughter, man.
Well, fun it. Right now, I can't believe this stuff was
You
still.
work, me can't believe it come like a girl take a chip off of the whole black from me, but it coming like say, she did it the wrong way. Me never know some my daughter would end up and go do them something and she know she can't come to me.
Boss, I swear to you, say, you know, some money not like that for your people.
Oh, you
You
know,
understand?
me know, but look what me tell you for do.
You just want you understand, say, you know, upon that the part, them, you know, you feel like me, I go around you. See me, I say, because, you know, family different, you know, and your daughter, you know, I mean, you feel like, say, when I do a thing like that.
But
So
as
it's
me say,
everything cut.
everything got to cut, everything cut and gone, Regine. That's it.
All right, boss, here I go on. As me say, family are family. And lion order. That's something I'm have to follow, because you don't know, say, you know what I mean? I line that thing and respect anything you say. Right?
Yeah, man, respect that, man. But this is what me call mere coincidence. Look there.
Bro.
Eh? I would have believed something like this. John no star. But anyway, yeah. Make sure say everything go on. You see the rest of the money there? Make sure say everything legit on that. Interest and everything. See? So just deal with that part there. You understand what I mean?
That's quit so.
That yeah.
Left worry about that. Me tell my sister what I want.
Yeah, man. Just make sure say whatever the balance, you know if you deal with that.
Yeah. Lion order, man. See?
All right.
Man, as I respect, you know.
Why I mean I tell you, man, trust me, man.
The business I want still, you know.
Yeah, man, things, you know.
I respect but trust me. Alright?
Alright, my boss.
Alright, boss.
Cool. Oh, it's smart.
It is not correct. And I'm sure that you fully told what time
What?
you should bring back the...
You were fully told. No.
Yeah,
I word.
I'm not tongue. I'm sure. I just proper English, man. I'm sure that you fully told.
That's the word.
Go in that
That's the
part.
word. That's not that's the word. That's that. She said fully told. She said you were fully told.
Yeah.
That's the word.
Alright, so
You were fully
You know,
told.
I proper English and I know twang. You can't say English and no twang, you know.
you never
No,
talk,
man,
man.
that's the word.
Where?
Yeah, man, you
Oh,
never
maybe
talk.
so one word. None of that you know to say.
You said you were fully told. Nobody
But I write where them did say me so one and a twang that to speak English and English and teach in a school out
See,
there.
come my belly full of your belly full.
Me not like you no public.
You left out one word.
I'm sure that you were fully told.
Yeah, man,
Me uncle did miss out the word.
I'm sure that you were
That's why if I'm free.
Yeah, man, so
Don't laugh with him, Javi. Me go bust up public head, you know.
You were. I know you're told.
Caddy.
Me never say no you talk. Go and go listen to it.
No, you're told.
And that me say
So
fully
one word.
told. Me just miss out the word. I said fully told. No, fully told. Miss out the word.
Yeah. Because you know I'm free food.
Oh, left me alone. Left me alone. Yeah. Alright, I'm sure that you were fully told. I just the word me miss out. Left me alone. You never make mistake yet.
It's still funny. So like a torch check there.
No, I'm not gonna say the same way on which I put in the word that me did miss out.
Ready again, ready? Alright.
Count it again, Jerry.
Action.
And who you can't check?
Ask himself, when you use the money,
Yeah.
May I tell you?
a carnival, you use it, go.
Ready? Yeah. We use the money though. Ready again? Ready?
Yeah.
So, by the way,
No, me make you please.
yo,
Me make you get the money.
when you get the money?
you know you. Set example to tell them, mash him up.
Yeah.
The more you want the audience knows that you say.
Yeah.
Mash him up.
Yeah, man.
So you have to set the example, mash them up. So after yesterday, they can't even ask him, but everything I go on do with the money. So boss, I just never know kind of. Because we it's a mash them up. So you can reassure him and say, and your sister business.
How last word me this again a while ago?
No man, we have got to know, mash them up.
Listen to me. Whatever you do, mash them up and
Set an example, man.
Set an example, mash them up.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready now? Yeah.
Should I pay?
Every week you'd have to pay $1,000.
Or weekly?
Yeah.
So Jesus.
No, you did say 500 and me pay your toes.
5,000.
Daddy, if I
That be
5,000, why should I
3,000.
pay 5,000? Tell him say $10,000 a week. Tell him say 10,000.
Oh, I thought
Alright.
they did say.
So, if
Let me see.
it's 300,000, you need to pay. Bam, 10,000. You found
So you tell me
yeah,
say
40,000.
you tell me say how much do you want?
10,000
Yes,
no, 10,000 a week, 40,000 a month. No, Daddy, make it just say
2 year, you can't be 10. You can't.
How much money? Say like
300.
3, 4,
Yeah.
12. $12,000. That's interest. 144. Well, 3,000 a week.
3,000 a week, yeah.
Tell about the interest.
So if you're sitting there for 2 years alone, you have to add up it. That's it.
$3,000 plus interest. 3,000.
Interest rate, remember.
You tell me say 3. You did tell you how much already? You
12
want?
144. 14 and 42. Just come.
To be honest, more than even if my phone
Alright, good.
Alright, no man, your father could help you, though you could.
No man, it good. Me like basic what you part there. So here we actually know, boy, Daddy, thank you very much. Daddy.
So then, me have one question too. Half of in-car public fi come here.
Guys, how you doing? It's a boy Jay, as you can see. Yeah, man. So right now I'm running with a brand new YouTube channel called Maggie Films, and I'm about to premiere a brand new movie called Rough When I Can't Read. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, man. So I just want to thank you all for your loyal support in advance. Just tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them family overseas, everywhere, to tune in and subscribe.
You sleep free.
Say how you lie, but more want to see your job.
Like so fresh. Are you there hold it up so you can see chewy? Hey, them say a 3D. Yo.
See it,
You eat for free. Y'all defecate for free.
The other day I come out here so and the police stop me. I'm there so the whole time and then take my papers and then take my license and me now make them do it again.
Stop going like a madman, man. You don't know how to talk to you already, man.
So lady, I stop. And me now move till the green.
What is on?
Am I see this, sir?
Spell Micey.
H-U-E. Spell Anthony Williams.
But put on a little sitting to write if you give man one simple little text. Look there.
Blank. Not even a A.
This is a serious issue, you know. Left or right?
Even my little daughter can look on this right now and read everything what they on it. Upon checking, realize that around 5 to 6 months now, you have not made a payment, so I'm here to retrieve the funds.
Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. You want to see the shirt already, right? Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on his shirt. You know me I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, oh, me no need that. It's not no Viagra. You know me I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them in use, make the capsule them, and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you are 50 or 60 or 40, you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? So I'm not talking about sex, I'm talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up. Same Instagram handle there. So you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and here is his telephone number. Link him up.